A new product in our offer is a cast iron accumulation disc. It has strong conduction and accumulation properties, thanks to which it can recover up to 30% of the heat escaping through the chimney. Installed on the fireplace insert flue by means of specially designed brackets. The first of the brackets is placed on the insert flue and then the disc is put on it. The following discs are placed taking into special consideration their mutual setting. It has to be borne in mind that after they're put on one another, they should form a spiral motion track for combustion gases, whereas the radiators should interleave one another. A special system of keys and their weight amounting to 21 kilograms, which simultaneously provides the sealing for airflow channels, is a protective device against disc displacement. The number of discs depends on the planned characteristics of the furnace. On the last disc, a closing key is installed. It enables the turns or outlet pipe to be installed. The full offer of all accessories is displayed on our website www.kratki.pl.